Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our cryptocurrency updates, tips, and forecasts. Today, we're diving into the latest trends in the crypto market as of December 6, 2024, and giving you a forecast for the next trading day, December 7th. We'll look at what's moving the market, key trends to watch, and how you can position yourself for the days ahead. Let's get into it. The cryptocurrency market has been going through some significant shifts over the past few days, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge. As of today, Bitcoin is sitting around $34,500, which represents a slight dip from earlier in the week, but still well above the critical support level of $30,000. Ethereum, on the other hand, is trading just under $2,000, showing a bit more strength after its recent consolidation. Despite these fluctuations, the overall market sentiment remains bullish. We're seeing increasing institutional interest in crypto, with big players continuing to diversify their portfolios. It's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum that are catching attention either. Altcoins like Solana, Polkadot, and Chainlink have been picking up steam, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see continued upward momentum from these projects in the coming weeks. Now, let's talk about the key news items that are shaping the crypto space today. Bitcoin ETF developments. Bitcoin ETFs continue to be a hot topic. With more applications moving through the regulatory pipeline, there's growing optimism that we could see a Bitcoin spot ETF approved sometime in 2025. This would be huge, as it would open up a whole new level of exposure to Bitcoin for institutional investors and retail traders alike. Ethereum Shapella upgrade. Ethereum Shapella upgrade is still making waves. The transition to a proof-of-stake model continues to play out, and it's causing some interesting shifts in the supply and demand dynamics for ETH. As more ETH is staked, the available supply on exchanges decreases, potentially pushing prices higher in the long term. Regulatory news. On the regulatory front, there's continued uncertainty in the US, as the SEC is still pushing for more regulation in the space. However, countries like Switzerland and Singapore continue to develop clearer frameworks that are more crypto-friendly, leading to some shift in market sentiment toward more favorable jurisdictions for crypto innovation. Global economic conditions. The macroeconomic environment is another important factor. With inflation concerns still hovering, some investors are looking to crypto as a hedge against traditional financial markets. However, the ongoing fluctuations in fiat currencies are creating some volatility, and this could lead to even more price swings in the crypto space. Now, let's look ahead to December 7, 2024, and see what could move the market. Bitcoin's potential to break key resistance. Bitcoin's price has been flirting with the $35,000 resistance level for a few days now. If it manages to break through that mark, we could see it push higher toward $36,000 or even $38,000 in the short term. However, we're also approaching a key trend line that could signal a reversal if Bitcoin fails to maintain its momentum. If we see a pullback, support around $33,000 is critical to watch. Ethereum's price action. Ethereum is looking strong above $1,900, but like Bitcoin, it's also approaching resistance levels. A breakout above $2,000 could signal a more sustained upward trend, especially if ETH continues to build momentum with staking activity. On the flip side, if ETH fails to maintain above $1,900, a retest of the $1,850 support zone is likely. Altcoin market movements. The altcoin market is where things are getting interesting. Solana, for example, has been showing strong growth recently. With new partnerships and developments, it's one to keep an eye on. We could see altcoins like Solana, Polkadot, and Chainlink push higher as investors look for opportunities outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. If the market remains bullish, expect more altcoin rallies to follow. Macro events to watch. On December 7th, we'll also see the release of some key economic reports, including inflation data from the US. If inflation data shows further signs of cooling, this could give a boost to risk assets like crypto. However, if inflation remains stubbornly high, we might see a slight pullback in the market as traders adjust their positions ahead of future Fed actions. So, what should you be doing heading into December 7th? Here are some strategies to consider. Watch for breakouts. If Bitcoin or Ethereum break above their respective resistance levels, it might be time to enter with a short-term bullish position. However, make sure you have a solid exit strategy in place because markets can reverse quickly. Consider diversifying into altcoins. As Bitcoin and Ethereum battle it out at key levels, altcoins are likely to continue gaining attention. If you're looking to make some quick trades, look at smaller market cap coins that have shown recent momentum or strong fundamentals. Prepare for volatility. The crypto market is never without its ups and downs. Make sure you're ready for volatility by setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital in case of a sudden price drop. Don't be afraid to take profits when you see them. It's better to lock in gains than to get caught in a market downturn. Keep an eye on the macro picture. Broader economic conditions are still a key factor. Stay updated on any major news or reports that might affect the market, and be ready to adjust your positions if the macroeconomic situation shifts. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. The crypto market is definitely in an interesting spot, and December 7th could bring some exciting opportunities, especially if Bitcoin and Ethereum manage to break through their resistance levels. Altcoins are also looking strong, and we're seeing more positive sentiment from institutional investors. As always, make sure you're doing your own research and risk management before making any trades. The market can be unpredictable, but with the right strategies in place, you can capitalize on opportunities as they arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or thoughts on the market, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one, and happy trading.